Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is the third lecture of grade 6, unit number 1, Humans and Animals, and I am your science teacher, Sidra Zafar. In the previous lesson, we have started to study the organ system, and the circulatory system has been studied in the previous lecture, in the last lecture. Today we are going to study the respiratory system. The lungs make the respiratory system. The lungs plays a very important role in the respiratory system. The human respiratory system allows us to obtain oxygen and eliminate carbon dioxide. In the respiratory system, there are the 4 organs which make the respiratory system. These organs are nose, throat, windpipe, and lungs. Here you can see the 4 organs. The first one is the nose. Nose filters the air as it is inhaled. The second part was the throat. It is a passageway for the air and it leads to the trachea. Trachea is the windpipe. The windpipe, it filters air before it reaches the lungs. And the fourth part is the lungs, which here the gases are exchanged. The lungs are found in the chest. They are protected by the ribs. The lungs are stretchy sponges that fill up with air. These are the lungs which are found in the chest. We use our lungs for breathing. We need to breathe to stay alive. The breathing consists of 2 phases. Breathing in, which is also known as inhalation. In this process, we take the oxygen in our body. Number 2, breathing out, exhalation, the process of blowing out carbon dioxide. Here is a detail for these 2 process of the respiration. Inhalation, breathing in this process, when we breathe in, air enters the body through the nose or mouth. The air goes down the windpipe and into the lungs. Oxygen from the air move into the blood vessels in lungs, and blood carries the oxygen to the heart and then to other parts of the body. Here you can see the picture of the lungs found in our chest, and here is a schematic diagram in which these arrows shows that when we breathe in, the lungs are contracted. These arrows shows that lungs are contracted when we breathe in. And in the second phase, when we breathe out, our body uses oxygen and it makes carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a waste gas that the body must get rid of it. The blood carries the carbon dioxide back to the lungs. When we breathe out, we get rid of carbon dioxide. Here is a diagram of the lungs, and here is a schematic diagram in which the arrows shows that the lungs are expanded when we breathe out. When our body relaxes, the lungs are expanded. And here is also a movement of the rib cage. Here is a picture of both processes, inhalation and exhalation. In this picture you can see the position of the rib cage. This red line shows the diaphragm. This line shows the diaphragm. Here the diaphragm moves upward and the diaphragm moves downward. When we breathe in, the diaphragm moves upward and causes to contraction the lungs, and when we breathe out, the diaphragm relaxes and the lungs expand. This is the respiratory system of the human body. I hope you understand it, and here is a home task for you. Write the answer of these questions on your notebook and send me the picture on my WhatsApp number as soon as possible. What is respiratory system? You can find the answer of these questions from the lecture of today. And the second question is, write the name of organs which make the respiratory system. And question number 3, explain the inhalation and exhalation. And remember, you will have to draw the diagram for both processes, breathing in and breathing out. Thank you, students. Tomorrow we will read about the importance of the respiratory system. Thank you so much.